Denver International Airport is the largest airport in North America in terms of land area, and the second largest in the world in that regard. The airport covers 33,531 acres, equivalent to 52.4 square miles or 135.7 square kilometers. Denver is a major hub for United and Frontier Airlines, as well as a focus city for Southwest. The airport is currently undergoing a major $1.5 billion expansion phase, which will add a total of 39 new gates across all three concourses A, B, and C by next year. The first part of this new expansion has already been opened at Concourse B, and we'll be exploring that in this video. We'll also talk a bit more about the airport's expansion plan and what exactly it's meant to accomplish. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Denver's expansion project is apparent across the entire airport, and as such, it's common to find areas that are walled off, like this part in Concourse B-West. This wall at the western end of Concourse A advertises the concourse's new expansion, which is due to be completed later this year. While on board my flight to Atlanta, I got a brief glimpse of the Concourse A West expansion, and from what I could tell, it's looking pretty awesome. But today's video is meant to focus on what's already been opened, that being the Concourse B-West expansion. This was the first part of the expansion plan that was completed, having been opened on November 20th, 2020. The expansion added 4 new gates to Concourse B, those being B7, B8, B9, and B10, all of which are currently under lease to United Airlines. The new expansion is noticeably more modern, and in general it feels a lot more open when you compare it to older parts of the airport. The middle of the building has a whole stretch of nice lounge chairs, and all the gate waiting areas have plenty of seats featuring power outlets, cup holders, and workstations. Each gate also has these super cool looking informational displays showing the flight destination, flight status, and weather at the destination. The destination is also shown on a smaller display underneath the gate sign. But perhaps the greatest perk of this new expansion is quite possibly the outdoor terrace, which, aside from having a pet relief area, seating, and fire pits, offers sweeping views of the airport apron and the front range of the Rocky Mountains. This terrace is an amazing place for plane spotting, and if I had a longer layover, I would have definitely spent some more time here. Stay tuned till the end of the video for the full plane spotting action. The vestibule that leads out onto the terrace has flight information boards on both sides, which is a welcome addition for those wanting to keep an eye on their flight status. Now, outdoor terraces like this will not be a feature unique to just the B-West expansion. In fact, each of the 4 newly expanded areas will each have their own outdoor decks. So that means in addition to the one here at B-West, by 2022 you'll be able to find 3 other outdoor areas at A-West, B-East, and C-East. But before we move on to plane spotting, here's some more brief facts regarding the airport expansion. The Concourse A-West expansion will add 12 new gates and is set to be completed later this year and opened in 2022. The Concourse B-East expansion will add 5 narrow-body gates and 5 regional jet gates. It'll be completed later this year and will open also in 2022. Finally, the Concourse C-East expansion will add 16 new gates, and just like the other concourses, construction is expected to finish this year, but it won't open until 2022. United Airlines will be taking all of the newly added gates in Concourses A and B, while Southwest will take the 16 new gates in Concourse C. Denver Airport, at its peak, saw 69 million passengers pass through the airport in 2019. This was well over capacity for the airport, which was intended to handle 50 million passengers annually. This new expansion, once complete, is expected to increase the airport's overall capacity by 30% and hopefully attract new airlines to the Mile High City. And already the new expansion is working wonders. Air France recently announced a brand new thrice-weekly service from Paris to Denver beginning in July of this year. Hopefully, it's the first of many more to come. I hope you enjoyed learning about Denver Airport's expansion plans and taking a brief look at the new Concourse B-West expansion. Now I'll end off the video with some plane spotting action from Denver. Don't forget to leave a like and comment if you enjoyed, and please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and now enjoy some plane spotting.
law enforcement officer or TSA representative.
That charger is, I didn't, that's my Concourse. What's that?
If you're traveling with carry-on bags today, federal regulations permit one carry-on bag of proper size and a small personal item such as a purse, computer bag, or...
Indicate the direction to these exits. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. If there's a loss of power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but in cabin brochure J